Have you ever wondered what those two little letters and numbers, IP68, actually mean for your phone? It's not just a random code, it stands for something quite significant. They stand for something pretty important: peace of mind. Knowing your phone has an IP68 rating means you can use it in more situations without worrying about damage. IP68 is a rating that tells you just how resistant your phone is to dust and water. The 6E indicates the highest level of protection against dust, meaning no dust can get inside your phone. The 80 in IP68 means your device can handle more than just a little splash. It signifies that your phone can be submerged in water up to a certain depth, usually around 1.5 meters, for up to 30 minutes. It can actually be submerged in water for a certain amount of time and come out unscathed. This means you can take it to the poolside, use it in the rain, or even accidentally drop it in water without worrying. This is a game changer for how we use our phones, opening up a world of possibilities without the fear of accidental damage. Imagine being able to take underwater photos or videos without needing a special case. So the next time you see IP68 on that shiny new phone, you'll know exactly what it means. Your phone is built to withstand the elements. Your phone is ready for whatever life throws its way, from a spilled drink to an unexpected rain shower. It's designed to be durable and reliable, giving you the freedom to use it wherever and whenever you need. IP68 isn't just a random marketing term, it's a globally recognized standard. The 6 in IP68 represents the highest level of dust protection, meaning your phone is essentially dustproof. The 8 refers to water resistance. For a phone to earn the IP68 rating, it undergoes rigorous testing. It's submerged in water, usually up to 1.5 meters deep, for up to 30 minutes. Manufacturers also test for different types of water, like fresh water and salt water, to ensure your phone is protected in various situations. This meticulous testing process ensures that an IP68 rated phone can withstand the elements, giving you the confidence to use your device in more challenging environments without worry. The Moto Edge 50 Pro isn't just a pretty face. It's built tough with an IP68 rating. This means you can take it to the beach, use it by the pool, or even take that important call in the rain without breaking a sweat, or your phone. Motorola achieves this durability through a combination of design features and materials. The phone utilizes seals and gaskets to prevent water and dust from entering sensitive components. Even the ports, often a point of vulnerability, are designed to keep moisture out. This thoughtful design ensures that the Moto Edge 50 Pro can handle the everyday mishaps that might leave other phones gasping for air. Section 4. Real-world resilience, everyday uses for a waterproof phone. Okay, so we know the Moto Edge 50 Pro can handle a dunk in the water, but how does that translate to real life? Let's explore some practical scenarios where this feature truly shines. Imagine you're caught in a sudden downpour, or you accidentally knock your drink over your phone. No need to panic or rush to find a bag of rice. With an IP68 rating, you can simply wipe it off and continue your day. It's that easy and stress-free. But it goes beyond just spills and rain. Think about all the other wet and wild situations you might find yourself in. You can confidently use your phone to navigate while hiking in misty conditions, ensuring you never lose your way, even when the weather isn't perfect. Take photos by the pool without worry, capturing those fun moments without the fear of water damage. Or even listen to music in the shower, turning your bathroom into a personal concert hall. This newfound freedom allows you to use your phone in ways you never thought possible, from the mundane to the adventurous, opening up a world of convenience and spontaneity. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a busy professional, or just someone who loves to stay connected, the Moto Edge 50 Pro is designed to keep up with your lifestyle, no matter how wet or wild it gets. Section 5. Peace of mind, the value of IP68 in action. The true value of an IP68 rating, like the one on the Moto Edge 50 Pro, extends beyond just the technical specs. It's a feature that brings a new level of durability and reliability to your everyday life. It's about peace of mind. Knowing that your device is protected against dust and water immersion means you can take it anywhere without second thoughts. It's the confidence of knowing that your phone can handle life's little accidents, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Whether you're caught in a sudden downpour or accidentally drop your phone in a puddle, you can trust that it will keep working. No more panicking when your phone takes an unexpected dip, or worrying about using it in less than ideal weather conditions. You can enjoy your outdoor adventures, poolside relaxation, or even a simple walk in the rain without any stress. With an IP68 rated phone, you can live life to the fullest without the fear of your device letting you down. It's designed to withstand the elements, so you don't have to hold back. It's about freedom, spontaneity, and the assurance that your phone is as resilient as you are. Embrace every moment, capture every memory, and stay connected no matter where life takes you. The IP68 rating ensures that your phone is ready for anything, just like you. Section 6 conclusion, the Moto Edge 50 Pro, a splash above the rest. In a world where our phones are an extension of ourselves, the Moto Edge 50 Pro's IP68 rating is more than just a feature. It's a necessity. It allows us to integrate our digital lives into our everyday adventures without compromise. The confidence of knowing your phone can withstand the elements empowers you to explore, capture, and connect without boundaries. So go ahead, take that call in the rain, snap that underwater photo, or simply enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your phone